The world is moving toward a digital economy, making data a fundamental strategic resource as well as a key production factor. Data protection and reliability are crucial to any organization looking to unlock the value of data. However, natural disasters, viruses, and attacks can result in unexpected data loss, making it urgent for organizations to find an effective data protection solution. In keeping with Huawei's continuous innovation, OceanProtect provides all-scenario data protection. It implements full disaster recovery of hot data, quick backup and restore of warm data, and warm archiving of cold data throughout the entire data lifecycle. Core transaction systems in the financial industry host hot data of critical services. Full disaster recovery data protection ensures the continuity of critical financial services and data. The volume of carrier CDR data and service data is soaring. Fast backup of mass data implements end-to-end acceleration. Numerous medical images need to be archived for a long time. Warm archiving not only allows image data to be stored for a long time, it also allows you to use it anytime, helping you make the most of every second. Barriers of disaster recovery, backup, and archiving are broken down using unified data formats and protection policies, which help achieve optimal efficiency. Where there is data, there is Huawei OceanProtect, all-scenario data protection. Huawei OceanProtect is taking the lead in the next-generation data protection, helping to protect your assets and safeguard the intelligent world.